Okay, so just a short report on about the earthquake that happened last night in Western Mindanao, particularly in the provinces of Surigao del Sur and Davao Oriental. The magnitude reached to 7.4 due to Philippine Trench. Okay, so it has a recorded intensity in Tandag, reaches to intensity 7. So intensity 7 based on the PHIVOX earthquake intensity scale. So we have that PHIVOX intensity scale from 1 to 10. So we the earthquake last night reached to 7. So meaning it falls under destructive. So destructive meaning it is the description based on that destructive meaning heavy objects and furnitures can be toppled down, difficulty in standing, and uh, weak structure can be uh, severely destroyed. So we still have 8, which is under that 8 very destructive. Then 9 was devastating, and if it reaches to the scale of 10, that is completely devastating. So yung kagabi, part 7 siya, intensity 7. So based on the PHIVOX earthquake intensity scale, it reached to the stage 7. Okay? So, under devastating. So, nagdeklara sila ng tsunami pero bandang ilang oras after that ay binawi na rin. Nilift na nila yung tsunami na yun. Kasi um, nakita nila na ilang metro lang ang pagtaas. So, after some time, ilang oras, nilift na rin nila yung tsunami warning. Okay, so so far yun lang muna, no. So siguro importante doon maintindihan nyo yung the difference between magnitude and that of intensity. Magnitude, it is the energy released uh, from where the source of the earthquake. Sinabi nating intensity, yun yung effect, yung paano naapektuhan, yung nasa tayo, paano naapektuhan yung na nakaramdam ng lindol, they were being affected by that earthquake. So, yun yung intensity. Yun lang.